Hi, I'm Mike with Aimco Manufacturing. Here we have a vacuum tool. This is mounted to a Vaculex tube lifter. We use this tool to pick up shingle bundles, and one of the concerns we get quite often is, will the packaging be suitable for a vacuum lifter? And a lot of times you'll see it's ripped on the sides or the edges, and I'll show you how we have enough vacuum to still support the shingle even with the bad packaging. So by pulling up on the trigger, you'll raise vertically. By letting down, you exhaust the air and you can lower the part down. I'll go through this stack so you can see how it works. You do have 360 degrees of rotation, so you can change the orientation of the shingle bundle. Okay, thanks for watching. For more product information, please visit barnesandassociates.com. Thanks again.